Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have Subaru Autoback, and we are trying to see if we can program this key. We already have one working key. Start running. This one here is a brand new. Don't forget in Subaru it comes with a password. So this password, when it's asked you to program the car, you're gonna put this password inside when you're programming the remote. The key will be programmed normally. So we're gonna use our hotel. Okay, let's see if we can program this car. So I'm gonna go here first. Close the door, I can put the window down. أو تعالي بجو أنت. تعال بجو. شوف شنو. ده زمان نقول تشوف شنو تشوف الأعمى. ده شوف ده هنا. I gotta go to auto detect. Okay, manual system selection. Immobilizer. Auto identify. I better go by auto identify so I don't need no headache.
كارلك ده خلاص.
كارلك خلاص؟ أكلته؟ خلاص تمشي تعمل unlock للترانسميشن ده وتعمل له كودينج؟ مرسيدس بنز. هنا في فيها يسموه شنو؟ في رالف افني كده دقيقة بس. الزول بتاع الجيروبوكسات. الزول بتاع الجيروبوكسات.
الزول بتاع منو؟
بتاع الترانسميشن.
رالف افني رالف.
منو في رالف؟ للدولفين؟
نو رالف افني انهم هناك رالف ما اسمه ده. ما نو رالف ما ليندن. قبال ما تمشي ليندن بيدك اليمين.
عندك شنو مرسيدس؟
انهم مرسيدس تعمل انلوك للترانسميشن وتعمل بروجرام بالجهاز ده. دقيقة. Yes. I'm gonna say yes. Take this. You have 20 seconds left. Put this one. Put the key on. All key lost. Okay. You have to do it quick. It's gone, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you have to do the next one fast. Right. Yes. Quick. Are you gonna wait? No. You ask me and I say no. Successful. Exit. Exit. So let me start it now. So this one park. Let me put the new one. Also start running. Awab. Now everything is good. Huh? Now I'm gonna program the remote. No, I'm gonna program the remote now. Remote programming. Let me leave the key on. Remote identify, auto identify. Let me see which remote they need to do. Remote control programming, I will say yes. Ignition is on, yes. Now normally the password is inside the IC of the remote. If there is no password, then you have to get the password with other method to do the remote much manually. Okay, so this is the remote password here. So I'm gonna put 7 3 8 6 3 2 6 2. Seven 3 86 3 2 62. Say okay. Successful. So now I'm gonna go back, take this key out. It's supposed to work. Skip.